Hi everyone, my name is JABALRADZMAN RABIDIN and my matrix number is 24-23F1032. And welcome to our presentation video about recycling at beach, a brief presentation.
Hi, my name is ZHARFAN ROSLAN and my matrix number is 24-23F1037. And in this presentation, we will cover three topics, which is engineering responsibilities in recycling and beach cleanup activities. Second, rights and privilege of a professional engineer. And lastly, sustainable and green activities.
So hi, my name is Afi. So we go through the introduction. So engineering and the environment focus on creating sustainable solution that balance technological process with the protection of natural resources. It ensures that engineering activities minimize environmental impact while supporting long-term ecological health. And we move on to the first one, which is engineering responsibility in recycling and beach cleanup activities. So the first responsibility is engineers need to identifying waste resources, conduct observation at the beach to locate waste accumulation areas, and determine the most common waste type such as plastic bottles, packaging, finishing nets, and etc. So number two is proposing waste management solutions. They need to suggest installing more recycling bins and signage along the beach to encourage proper disposal and waste segregation. So the third one, organizing recycling efforts. So they need to collect and sort recycle, recyclable material such as plastic, cans, papers to send to recycling centers instead of landfills. Fourth one, encouraging community involvement. We need to educate local residents and visitors on the importance of recycling and reducing single-use plastic. The last one is ensuring safety and compliance. Follow safety protocols, wearing gloves or proper waste handling, and adhere to local environmental guidelines during the activities.
Move on to the next part, where the rights and privilege of a professional engineer. They are legally allowed to approve and certify engineering plans to ensure they follow safety rules. The second one is they also gain access to special knowledge, professional networks, and career opportunities in the engineering field. Engineers have the right to be recognized for their work and achievements, both internally, like promotion of patents, and externally, while still maintaining confidentiality. They can access continuous professional training to stay updated on new engineering techniques and sustainable practice. Professional engineers often lead and work with scientists, policymakers, and communities to achieve successful projects such as beach cleanup efforts.
Okay, sustainable and green activities. Firstly, waste segregation and recycling. We will separate collected waste into recyclable and non-recyclable materials to promote recycling and reduce landfill waste. Furthermore, beach cleaning drive. We will collect and properly dispose of trash such as plastic bottles, cans, and fishing nets to protect marine life and keep the beach clean. In addition, the awareness campaign to educate communities about the impact of littering and the importance of protecting the coastal environment. Uh, Furthermore, eco-friendly signage installation to educate communities about the impact of littering and the importance of protecting the coastal environment. And lastly, to reduce the single-use plastics. This is to encourage participants to bring usable bottle containers and bags during the cleanup to minimize plastic waste.
Hello guys, my name is SARVESHVARRAN, anak lelaki Prabagaran with the matrix card number of 24-23F1010. So as per now, I'm about to present about the priority SDGs. So what are SDGs? SDGs are basically sustainable development goals, which we have to imply in the in engineering as well as the society. So regarding our activity, which is the beach cleanup as well as recycling at the beach, so the SDG that complies with our activity is basically SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, where recycling at beaches promotes cleaner and safer coastal communities, reducing pollution and supporting sustainable living environments for both residents and visitors. Okay, the next one is SDG number 14, which is Life Below Water, where by preventing plastic and other waste from entering the sea, beach recycling protects marine life, coral reefs, and ocean ecosystems from long-term damage. As we all know, there are straws and other plastic waste that is stuck inside sea ecosystems like turtles and such. So the next SDG that is considered as a priority is SDG number 15, which is recycling along the coastal areas helps preserve natural habitats, prevent soil and land degradation, and maintain the biodiversity of plants and animals living near the shore. So this is life on land. Okay, as we can see, there are also uh, living beings around the shore, such as seagulls and then turtles which lay their eggs. What if humans decide to throw their waste around those areas? Definitely turtles and also any other living beings, such as seagulls and all, wouldn't be comfortable in order to live in their habitat. Plus, the coastal areas are usually the place where turtles hatch their eggs. What if there are so much of waste and then a baby turtle hatched from the egg consumes the waste before even heading into the sea? It's time to conclude our presentation. So in conclusion, our presentation and beach plugging activity shows that engineering is not just about designing the systems, but also taking real responsibility for the environment. By applying our knowledge, working together as a team, and practicing sustainable habits like recycling, we can protect and preserve nature for the future. Small actions, when done consistently, can create a really big impact. Let's continue to care for our environment. We, as a team, have conducted a recycling activity as well as cleaning up the beach by segregating our tasks, where one individual will collect aluminum, one individual will collect domestic waste and glass and papers and so on, such as plastic as well. So in the video that we are about to attach, will be shown about what we have done at Pantai Kelanang. So stay tuned, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thank you very much.
So Assalamualaikum. Today we at Pantai Kelanang for beach cleanup.
In our recycling efforts, I am in charge of collecting glasses.
So I have been assigned to pick up domestic waste such as this globe.
Hi, so I'm AFIQ. So today I'm assigned to collect aluminium waste.